To add the next question in the form of a pivot table, go to Survey Department, click anywhere within the table and click Insert Pivot Table. The pivot table will by default put a name to the table. The marching ants around the outside show you that it's selected the entire table, but we want to put this into an existing worksheet, so we'll click Existing Worksheet, click into the location box, go to the tab that we want to place this pivot table in, select the position and click OK. So while clicked into anywhere inside the pivot table, this brings up the field list. So we want level, but we want level in the columns. We want the next question, and the next question is number 8. Select the next question, make sure it goes into the rows and then drag it into the values area as well. Now we need to add the pivot chart, so Insert, Recommended Charts, and we want the stacked column chart. Drag the chart into position. Right click on the chart and hide all the field buttons on the chart. Go to Design and select Add Chart Element and select Above Chart. Copy the question, double click in there to highlight that and press Ctrl V on your keyboard to paste in the question. Go back up here, copy in the question. Now insert the slices. Select anywhere within inside the pivot table, insert slicer and select level and department. OK. Position the slicers and you may want to widen it a little bit so that Visual Performing Arts comes into view, and you may want to resize the level if you wish. And then if you select each one using the Control button on your keyboard so that all of them are highlighted, right click and select Group, and that will keep them together. So if you wanted to move them together, you could move them together as a group.